then it'll go down, it'll be in the way.
Why air and why not electric? Like a trailer winch, you know, type of deal.
Electric takes more time to stall down, and unless you're using a servo, it's not going to have any freewheeling capabilities to stop it.
You've already thought about that.
Yeah.
Well, we were talking about that with this way.
Well, how are you going to pull it? From the bottom or
From the top. Pulley up here with a cable attached to the center, or even from the corners and the centerpiece picking it up.
How are you going to keep it from the lose air?
Check valve.
Oh, check valve.
Chop chop.
Pilot operated check valve would pressurize the line so it wouldn't go nowhere until you tell it to.
That motor is geared too, so it holds.
Not long enough, but we put a check.
Enough to hold the. Well, with the pulleys.
Here, 15 more.
That should
I mean, it'll hold it up.
I put a check valve in
It won't go freewheeling down.
Right.
If it does, it's slow.
Right.
Yeah. You're gonna go this way?
Yeah.